It's the week. What do you do into G20? How do you hedge it?
So I agree with a lot of the people you're showing in video clips earlier that the G20 is important, but do we think some kind of grand deal comes out of it this weekend? Most likely not. A lot of that kind of stuff just happens, on the sidelines between lower level officials. But what we have seen is a lot of options activity going into G20. Long story short, the options market is pricing in a fairly decent implied move. S&P options are pricing in a 1% move over that weekend. Last G20, I think we gapped open like 2% higher when futures opened on Sunday night after the event. So I think it's more so people are hedging against the tail that something unexpected comes out of it, such as, oh, maybe we do get some kind of deal, or if there's a total breakdown, people want to hedge the tail of something unexpected happening. But most likely you get, a couple handshakes and some constructive talks.
And this chart shows what we're talking about. So this is looking, the volatility markets are pricing in, you're looking like maybe a 1% move in the S&P and how to play that after. So then you get a quiet July 4th week, right? So then what happens? Do we go back to regular normal volatility? Do we go back to a market going nowhere? Like, what are you seeing?
I think there's a good chance that if G20 is a non-event, and by that I mean, look, they come out with some constructive talks, the current tariffs are just remain in place, but no additional tariffs. I think there's a good chance with the dovish central bank backdrop that vol just collapses going to the summer. So I've been telling people you should look at buying puts on VXX. That's an ETF that tracks VIX futures. Look at puts going out to July. I think the VIX is unusually high right now at 15 and change for stocks at all-time highs. I think part of that is the expectation for this event, and part of it's because we've rallied so quickly. But I think, G20 passes, it's a non-event, we get a little breather, and vol kind of collapses going to the summer.